In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group chat to your Wix website. Whether you're creating an online community, enhancing your business website, or simply adding a space for your visitors to communicate, a group chat can make your website more engaging and interactive. Wix makes it easy to integrate third-party apps like RumbleTalk, which allows you to create a fully functional group chat directly on your site. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a customized chat feature ready to go. So let's dive in and get started. The first step is to navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your site, and it's where we'll begin. Look closely at the toolbar and locate the icon that lets you add apps to your site. This icon typically resembles a small grid or a square. Click on it, and you'll notice that it opens up a menu where you can browse and search for apps. This is where you'll find the app. We need to add the group chat functionality. Next, in the search bar provided, type RumbleTalk. RumbleTalk is the app we'll be using to set up the group chat feature. Once you've entered the name, you should see RumbleTalk Group Chat appear in your search results. When it does, click on it to access the app's main page. This page will give you an overview of what the app offers and how it can be integrated into your site. On the app's main page, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Go ahead and click this button to start the installation process. At this point, a modal window will appear, displaying the app's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these so you understand the app's policies and permissions. After reviewing the terms and conditions, click Agree and Add to finalize the installation. Wix will then redirect you back to your site. Take a moment to confirm that the RumbleTalk app has been successfully added. You should see its interface or a placeholder on your site where the chat will appear. Now it's time to configure the group chat settings. Click on the Settings button, which will open the configuration options for the RumbleTalk app. This is where you can customize the chat to fit your website's needs. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and overall design to match the look and feel of your site. Additionally, you can manage user permissions and set up moderation tools to keep the conversations in your chat safe and productive. If you're looking for additional features, you have the option to upgrade the app. In the Settings area, you'll see an Upgrade button. Click on it to explore the advanced features offered by RumbleTalk. These could include options like increased user capacity, advanced customization tools, or analytics to monitor the chat's activity. If you decide to upgrade, you'll need to select a subscription plan that best suits your needs. Take your time to review the options and choose the one that aligns with your goals for the website. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete the upgrade process. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a group chat to your Wix website. Now your visitors can connect and engage in a whole new way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.